guys, hopefully you can hear me alright. I am prepping an order at the moment for a customer named Peter Reid, and essentially we've got these new boxes. So we've got a bunch of these the original ones, we've got some new ones as well. And I'll cover the QR code, but we do these little printouts that tell us what's needed on the order, and we go in and we start picking that. So we've got some recessed light backs. I've already got 3 of those already ready to go, so I can bang 3 of those in here. But I'm realising as I do this, what I'm missing is a little holder for these. So I need to go up and 3D print some holders really. So I'm getting the Nakamura running, and then I can, while that's going, I can do a quick CAD design, knock something up, and we'll get some other print. So let's have a little look here. Open her up. I'll see what's going on. So I've got at the moment this little setup in here to try and catch the brass, because the brass is a bit of a pain in the neck. There you go, look, there's the brass down there. Bit of a pain in the neck when it comes to contaminating coolant. So originally was going to use this idea for acrylic. I thought, oh, let's use it on brass. Oh, that's nice. That's come out quite nice. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Chamfer could be better. I'll hand finish the chamfer for now. I've only got 3 of these to do, so we'll machine 2 more. I need to just check the dimensions. I'll show you what I do then. Let's bring it here if I can. Oh, sorry guys. There we go. Oh, it's moaning that the phone is unbalanced. So, so essentially, that's my top. Let's get this origined. Right, my OD dimension should be 20.5. Okay. It's within tolerance. My ID dimension should be 18.8. And then I have a thread gauge, and it's M20 by 1. If I can get it to start. It's such a thin wall. Oh. Someone's going to be sitting there and going, Chris, I don't gauge. Alright, it'll gauge. She's just, the start is it's trying to get the lead in. It goes fine on the backs, by the way. It's just literally, when we're trying to, well, I say that, he says, what if the thread's not deep enough? I'm not sure it does look deep enough, you know. I think that isn't why it's not gauging. Well, that's rather annoying. There's your first scrap part. Other than that, it was perfect. Right, let's see if we can go correct this. So, all I would do in that case is come over to our offsets table, to tool 8, which it's already on. I go 0.1, I'll add that to the X offset. You know, I'm looking at that thread right now, and I've add 0.05 to that as well. It's really not deep enough. And I'll run that. Well, what I can do is in a minute I can option stop this, and then I can basically stop it before before it actually goes to the cycle after the threading cycle, and then we can get that right. Okay, so while that's doing its thing, I take my recess backs and give them a little ream. Now they are finished on the back side, but let's see. We've got one, so we'll wait for the rest now. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to model up this holder, and we'll see whether or not we can make this situation a bit better. Okay, so right now I'm in my Pathmarker top program. Let's do a quick new design. So you'll see me do this basically in real time, and it shouldn't really take me too long to do. Right, so these backs are 20.5, so I'm probably going to go with holes that are about 22mm. No, they're not. So I'll go with 21, and I will create a rectangular pattern. Now I'd probably, let's allow for 6, we'll do 3 by 3. I'd normally do 10 to be honest. There we go. And then I shall roughly draw a rectangle around that. Yeah, about there. That'll do. Because none of this stuff needs to be particularly precision. It's just a holder. I don't know why in Fusion I find it annoying that I have to redraw a rectangle like this and I can't just select the bottom. I'm sure there's a way that I'm missing. 1.5, and that is the holder for the recessed backs. Simple as that. So I'm going to literally just save that. Didn't take me long, did it, at all? Let's see. In our improvement projects, save that as 6 times recessed back grey holder. So it will be a grey. And then I export that to STL. And if I come over here, I've got a little stream deck down here. I'll show you. There you go. And I just press the button for bruise slicer. Oh! Knock something straight off. And as soon as this exports, I can whack that on that. Here we go. So I'll add it in. 6 recessed grey holder. We'll tap the bottom, and that is it. All my default slicer settings are absolutely fine. It reckons 1 hour 53 minutes. Now in 1 hour 53 minutes we won't be here, so I'm actually going to add a second one. Or shall I add a third? Let's have 3. Let's do 3. Let's do 4. No, let's do 4. And then it'll print overnight. There we go, 7 hours 30. It'll print overnight and we'll have some holders ready for our boxes. So we're now in on this printer. We're going to come in, home, I'm going to filament, change filament. I'll let that heat up, bring it into ready, so it's nice and ready. And in the meantime, I need to take this print of these little inserts off. Let's wander around this way. We've got Maximus working over here. You know, as I say, as you can see, it's all like loose at the moment, and this is all a bit liable for damage, which we really don't want, especially with brass and 316 stainless and stuff. So, you know, it's the next step, the next thing just to make these bits better. And then I'd really like a card holder or something for these too, just so that they stay nice and clean. Well, while I'm on brass, I needed to run some spotlight tops, and I made a little bit of a mistake. Basically, all I did was, so you can see the spotlight tops left here, is I forgot to change this collet, because I was meant to change this collet, lucky it's brass, to 25mm, so I'm going to do that now. Get that out. I shall show you that quickly. It's really easy. I love this system. So it's literally this gun, it goes in, there we go, squeeze it, that's the collet out, that's it, and it's reverse to get it back in again. It's so easy, such a great system. Well guys, this is going to be me signing off for the day. This little lovely DJI 6 mobile holder thing, it's going flat for the first time. So, but I'm aware I need to get the mic. I'm basically waiting, what is it today? It's Wednesday right now. I'm waiting for Friday to see if there's going to be any Black Friday deals, and I'll try and buy it. Really annoyingly, so it was up for $279. I was going to buy it already. And the website was going to buy it off of up to it's $289. I suspect what happens on Black Friday, it will be $279. It's with a discount. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, we'll see you later, guys.